Welcome to Theme Park Brothers, and welcome to our July 2017 construction update for Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We were away visiting family and taking a little vacation of our own, so it was a full month before we were able to see the progress at the resort. We had seen some photos and were excited to finally get back. We noticed that the renovations of Building 8A appeared to be complete, and we could not see evidence that a full-scale renovation of any other building has been started. I assume this is due to the summer peak season, and they will continue once again in the fall. There seems to be quite a bit of touching up of the paint, as there are green lifts throughout the resort. The quiet pool in Ranchos is surrounded. The biggest change was the new bridge from Cabanas to the El Centro area. It seems they now have what they need to have blocked off to really get going on the new tower. This month we decided to walk around in the evening since all of our previous updates have been done in the morning. This should give a little different look and feel than the others. Let's now take our monthly walk around Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. That will do it for this month's construction update for Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Have you recently stayed at Coronado Springs and would like to share your experience with the viewers? Comment below or message us over at Facebook and we will do our best to add it to the next update. If you enjoyed this episode, we would love it if you would give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a future episode. You could also find us over at Facebook and on Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.